Hello and welcome to my Heaven Bounce Red guide video. For today's video, we will discuss about Heaven Bounce Red elemental unit tier list. So in Heaven Bounce Red, there are 5 elemental types. There are fire, ice, thunder, light, and dark. And for your information, this tier list is not fixed. Tier list that I made based on my assessment on how a unit can bring out its maximum potential without any condition. And as I said before, if you like one character, you can make that character very strong, but with the help of some other units on with a certain condition. For example, I like Yuki Izumi, so when I've got the Yuki Izumi second SS, I increase the limit break to the max and I do gacha for Yuki Izumi character, such as I gacha for the buffer, debuffer, something like that. Okay, so back to the topic. In this video, I will explain about each elemental type tier list, starting from fire. And I will only explain the top ranking so that you know the reason why they are on S tier. The first one is Yotsuha Oshima First SS. The reason is she can give your fire unit critical rate up and critical damage up, and also fire attack up for the reserve unit, so for the unit that's on the back. So it will give you critical rate up, critical damage, and fire attack up for 3 units that on the back. The second one is Ruka Kayamori SS. The reason is she is a really strong single target unit. Yes, it's really strong single target unit, so you can use it when you fight bosses with one boss. The second one is Minori Oshima First SS, because she can deal an AoE attack. If you fight 2 bosses, you can just use her. And for the last one is Nina Oshima SS, because the devastation rate that she get is really big. If you fight bosses with her, the devastation rate will increase around 180%, so that's really much. Okay, for the second one is for ice tier list. There is Maria De Angelis SS, because in her ultimate she can deal more damage actually than your actual DPS, because she can get 16% damage bonus per token that she had. How did she get the token? She can get it from using her skill, either from healing or the attack skill. So the longer the battle you do, the stronger she get. Second one is Mari Satsuki SS, because she can generate ice enhancing field, or You can just call it Ice Zone. In the Ice Zone, the team will deal 15% more damage for ice attack. And for the last one is Bon Ivan Yamawaki. If you don't have Maria De Angelis, this one is also good for bossing with ice weakness. Okay, for the Thunder tier list, it starts with Erika Aoi, second SS. Why? The reason is the same with Maria De Angelis, so her ultimate is got increased damage 16% per token. So the more token she get, the more powerful the ultimate damage. For the next one is Tama SS. I think this one is her third SS. Yeah, because if you already got her first SS, you can actually use her ultimate from her first SS in this SS, and you also got buff like one use party thunder up from this SS. From the last one is Byakko second SS, because she deal bigger devastation rate other than Yuina SS. That's why the Yuina SS on the A tier list and Byakko is on the S tier list, because when Byakko hits enemies with thunder weakness, it will deal more damage to them. For the light tier list, starting from Tsukasa Tojo 3rd SS, because she can buff your frontline critical rate and critical damage, and also give you a light zone buff for 8 turn. And for the next one is Karen Asakura 3rd SS also, because in her ultimate she buff herself with self hit count, so the damage will improve by herself if she use the ultimate. And the last one is Yayoi Bungo 2nd SS, because she've got strong single target attack, stronger than Yuina SS. That's why she's at the S tier and Yuina at the E tier. For the dark tier list, it's starting from Yuina Shirakawa 3rd SS, because in her ultimate she can buff herself with dark critical damage, and she can deal more damage during extra turn. How to get the extra turn? It's actually already on her kit, so this SS only you can already do more damage. You don't need any other SS. So the next one is Monaka SS. The reason is same like Aoi and Angelis, Maria de Angelis SS. She can get more damage depending on how much token she get. For the next one is Satomi Kura second SS, because when she hit the enemies with dark weakness, she deal more damage, same like Byakko second SS. And the last one is Iroha Ishii first SS, because she can give you the dark zone buff for 50% more dark damage. And for the last one is non-elemental tier list. Basically in this tier list, for the damage dealer will be on the C tier list. The only units that is good is either buffer or healer, except for Irene SS. Why she is on the S tier? Because she can buff herself with critical rate up and also hit count buff. And for the next one, you already know Aoi Erika first SS, because she can block 2 attack and cover all the damage that will go to your unit to herself for 2 or 3 turns. Next one is Yingxia SS, because she can give you an ally hit count buff. Same with Irene, but Yingxia is more powerful buff. Next one is Seika Higuchi second SS, because she can buff your attack, critical rate and critical damage, and also recover some DP for 1 unit. That's really good for the bossing situation. The next one is Kunimitama first SS, because she is the only one SS for now that can revive your frontline DP. And for the last one is Mari Satsuki second SS, because she can buff your frontline attack, critical rate, critical damage, frontline. So 3 people or 3 unit at the front will get the buff. And that's for my tier list video. If you have another suggestion for the tier list, you can just comment below ya. Thank you for watching.